Это наша студентка, ее зовут Акмара. Она инженер?
А кто? Учитель.
Учитель.
Хорошо.
So I just closed from my class now. I'm heading to the gym right now. I'm waiting for my taxi. I've ordered my taxi, but it's very expensive. So I don't know. This will be my first and last taking taxi after my class because I'm rushing to the gym. I have to meet up with my trainer. So that's why I'll be using taxi today. But next time I'll be using bus to go, because the taxi is really expensive. I don't know if it's because the weather just changed a little that taxi is becoming this expensive. Training, so I'm heading to the locker now to go and take my bath, then I will change and go home. But before then I want to massage myself because I did a lot today, so let me massage my body first. So guys, I'm done with today's training. I've taken my bath and I'm heading home now. I think I'll take the bus now.